Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a deep oven clean, and we're cleaning my refrigerator. So this video is actually shot over 2 days because you have to let the oven cleaner sit overnight to work. So I'm going to go ahead and spray down my oven and let it sit, and then we're going to get into the refrigerator cleaning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like before you go, and please consider subscribing to our channel. We love having you here. So we're going to go ahead and get started on the refrigerator. I'm going to start by taking everything off these door shelves. I'm going to take them out and I'm going to wash them. So I will go ahead and admit I do not clean my refrigerator or my ovens enough. It's really hard with 5 people in the house all the time. It takes a lot of time to clean the refrigerator and the ovens, and I just don't have it most of the time. I went ahead and did them together on this day because my kids and my husband were all gone for a week, so it was just me in the house, so it was a good time to get it done. So now we're just going to put everything back in the doors. I've got these shelves all cleaned up. I'm going to put them in, and we're going to put everything back in them, and then we're going to move on to the rest of the refrigerator. So now we're taking everything out of the rest of the refrigerator so I can wipe down the shelves in here. I need to redo my contact paper, but I didn't have any on hand, so I didn't get it done this day. I put contact paper down on my glass shelves just to help keep them clean. It's a little bit easier to clean the paper than the glass shelves, so that's what's in there. I know we're just gonna start putting all the food back in on the shelves. We're trying to put it in some kind of logical order, but it won't last. My kids will come home and they'll just move everything around and you won't be able to find anything in here again anyway. I'm gonna wash the drawers. I hate washing these things. There's no easy way to do it. They don't fit in the sink. It's just a pain in the rear, but we're gonna get it done. You can't tell, but by the time I was done washing these, my sink and kitchen floors were a mess. They were covered in water. It was everywhere, but they got clean and we're gonna put them back in the refrigerator. So I'm curious, how often do you clean your refrigerator? Do you do it every couple months, once a year, you know, more than that? I'm in the more than that category. Like I said, I just don't have time to get it done. And I'm curious as to how often you clean your refrigerator. So go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know, and maybe I'll be able to get better at keeping mine a little bit cleaner and doing it more often. And now we're just gonna finish putting everything back in the refrigerator. Everything's nice and clean. The drawers are ready to go. So now we're gonna take all these magnets off. I hate the clutter on the front of my refrigerator. And so I just took it all off and I didn't put any of it back on. So we're going to clean down the outside of the refrigerator, and then we're going to move on to cleaning the oven. So this is the second day. It's sat overnight, and what I like to do is I get a sponge just for cleaning my oven and I wet it down and I go over everything before I start wiping it out with paper towels. I find it just makes it a little bit easier to get everything off. You can scrub off anything that still might be a little bit stuck. This is also the only thing I use paper towels on. I don't reuse my sponge. I don't like to put anything in here with this cleaner and what comes out of your oven. I just don't like to reuse it. So this is the only thing I use paper towels on in my house. I use a bunch of them and I just chunk them because it's gross. Alright guys, here's the cleaned ovens, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give us that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!